Welcome students. In our today's class we are going to read a poem by Paul Pero. What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is The Labors of Hercules. Okay. Now before starting reading the poem directly, we should start with some background information. What are those? Now read this portion. Have you read any stories of Greek heroes? Name a hero and say why do you like the person. Okay. Hercules is the Roman name for the Greek hero Heracles. So, Hercules is the name for the Roman name of the Greek hero Heracles, and he was the son of Zeus. Hercules was known for his extraordinary strength for completing 12 labors or tasks that was given to him by King Eurystheus, whom he served for 12 years. So he was given 12 labors and he served the king for 12 years. What did Hercules achieve when he completed the seemingly impossible task? So it is very important that what did he achieve? What was his reward when he completed the 12 labors? 12 seemingly impossible, that seemed nearly impossible. Okay, now read the poem to find out. So we have to read the poem to find out that what was his reward. Okay, now let us start reading the poem. I'll read the entire poem at a single go first, then I will explain. The great warrior Hercules was made out of pretty stern stuff. He carried out 12 famous tasks, all of them really tough. He fought a lion with claws so sharp that it could rip armor to shreds, and then he killed a hydra, that's a monster with 9 heads. After that, he was told to go and catch a golden deer. The deer was very hard to catch. It took Hercules a full year. His next task was hunting again, this time a wild savage boar. After that, he cleaned a stable which was full of manure. Hercules cleaned those huge stables in just one single day. And then he had to go and chase some nasty birds away. Next he caught a dangerous bull. It was rampaging through the Crete. After that, he stole some horses that had a taste for meat. He went to the Amazons next and ended up having a battle. And after that, he had to go and steal a monster's cattle. Next, he had to search the whole world to find some special magic food. And finally, he caught a dog, a huge 3-headed brute. Hercules earned a great reward for being so strong and so clever. His father Zeus promised him that he would live forever. Okay, so that was our poem. Now, let us read the poem with some explanation. The great warrior Hercules. Who was Hercules? He was a great warrior. The great warrior Hercules was made out of pretty stern stuff. What is the meaning of the word stern? Stern means something that is very strong, that is not flimsy. Okay, he carried out 12 famous tasks, all of them really tough. So Hercules carried out 12 famous tasks and all of them were seemingly nearly impossible to accomplish. But he completed those seemingly impossible tasks very easily. He fought a lion with claws so sharp that it could rip armor to shreds. So he fought a lion that has so sharp claws that it could rip the armor to shreds. What is the meaning of the word armor? It is given here. a metal clothing that soldier used to wear in battle. So it's a kind of shield, that shield made out of metal that the soldiers used to wear when they went for hunting or some kind of fight or wars. Okay, so the claws of the lion were so sharp that it could rip those metal armor to shreds. Shreds mean in pieces. Okay, and then he killed a hydra that was a monster with 9 heads. So what was his next task? He killed the hydra that was a monster with 9 heads. Hydra is a kind of in Greek mythology is a kind of animal serpent which grew 2 new heads every time one cut off its one head only. So if we cut one head of hydra, it will instantly grow 2 heads. So it is nearly impossible to kill this animal, to kill this serpent. But Hercules killed the hydra. So he was so brave and clever. After that, he was told to go and catch a golden deer. So what was the, after killing the lion, after killing the hydra, what was the third task that was assigned to Hercules? After that, he was told to go and catch a golden deer. So he was sent in search of a golden deer. The deer was very hard to catch and it took Hercules a full year. So the deer was very hard to catch and it almost took Hercules a full year to catch that deer. Okay. So after catching that deer, his next task was hunting again. This time again Hercules was assigned hunting. And this time a wild savage boar. Savage means something wild, violent, unruly. You can't control that thing. Boar means a kind of pig, a wild pig. Okay. After that, he cleaned a stable. Stable means where generally the horses are kept. But in stables, you can keep cows and other animals also. Okay. So after that, he cleaned a stable which was full of manure. What is the meaning of the word manure? Animal dung. So he was given this dirty work of cleaning a stable that was full of manure. Hercules cleaned those huge stable in just one single day. Can you imagine? He cleaned those huge stable that was full of manure in just one single day. And then he had to go and chase some nasty birds away. Then he went to send away some nasty birds. Okay. Next he caught a dangerous bull. So his task is to caught a dangerous bull. It was rampaging through Crete. It was moving through the Crete and making things dirty, breaking the things. Okay, it was creating a chaos. After that, he stole some horses that had a taste for meat, and after that he was given the task of stealing. Strange, na? But that horses has some taste for meat, so it meat was tasty. Now he went to the Amazons. So who are the Amazons? According to the mythology, Amazons are a tribe of very trained, very legend kind of group of women warriors. Okay, so now he went to the Amazons and wound up having a battle, and this time Hercules was wounded. Okay, because he had a battle with those brave women. Okay, now after that he had to go and steal a monster's cattle. Now it was a task, so all the tasks were very funny and very mischievous that was given to Hercules. He had to steal a monster cattle. Next he had to search the whole world to find some magical fruit. Now he was given the task of finding a magical, some special magic fruit, and for that he has to search the whole world. And finally he caught a dog, a huge three-headed brute. A very violent animal is called a brute. So he caught this three-headed brute. All the pictures are given here. Okay, so this was the brute. Hercules earned a great reward. Now we have started reading the poem with the aim of knowing that what was the reward that Hercules got for completing those tasks, for being so strong and for being so clever. His father Zeus, okay, according to Greek mythology, Zeus was the supreme leader. He was the god of the gods, like Mahadev. He was the primary god according to the Greek mythology, and Hercules was his son. His father Zeus promised him that he would live forever. So, for accomplishing this 12 strenuous, so strong, so hard and really tough task, Hercules promised him. Hercules gave him the reward of immortality. He would live forever. Means that he would be immortal. He will never die. All human beings are mortal, but Hercules was gifted with immortality by Zeus. Okay. So his gift was immortality. He was bestowed with the gift of immortality by Zeus. So that was our beautiful poem, and these things were done in our classroom, and study notes will be provided via Google Classroom. I think study notes have been provided to you of this chapter. Go and check. Okay students, bye, have a nice day, bye bye.